So hello guys, so the topic today is about integral of logarithmic and exponential functions. So the integral of du all over u is equals to ln of u plus c when u is greater than to 0, and the integral of du is equals to eu plus c, and the integral of au is equals to au over ln a plus c when a is a constant, and also the u. Gets guys? So para mas ma-appreciate nyo, let's proceed for the first problem. So the integral of 1x dx is equals to, since yung integral natin na u ang magiging x natin, and the derivative of this is equals to dx. So kahit hindi mo na siya ganyanin guys, let's say that this will be our u and let's say this will be our du. So from the format of integral of du all over u is equals to ln of u is x plus c. So this will be our integral of 1 over x dx. Gets? So next, the integral of 1 over x minus 3 dx. So u is equals to x minus 3. The du of this is equals to dx. So since if you multiply this, since it is equal to dx all over, so since yung dx natin ay magiging du all over of u represents as x minus 3 and dx represents as du. So ito yun guys, so du and is equals to u. So is equals to ln of u plus c. So ln of u, substitute the value of u x minus 3 plus c. So this will be our answer guys. Gets? Next, so the integral of 2 dy is equals to what? So may constant na 2 labas, dy all over of 3y minus 4. So this will be our u, and the derivative of this is equals to 3 dy. So since walang 3 dito, walang 3 doon, ang gagawin natin guys is divide both sides by 3. So du over 3 is equals to dy. Divide ko lang sila guys, ganyan ko lang then cancel. So yung dy natin is equals daw siya sa du over 3, and this equals to what? U. So 2, the integral of du over 3, substitute lang all over u. So since may 3 tayo dito, lalabas yung constant, magiging 2 multiply daw sa 1/3 the integral of du all over u. So multiply mo to is equals to 2 all over 3 the integral of du all over of u, and this equals to what? So the du all over u is equals to ln of u plus c. So 2 over 3 ln of u plus c. The value of u, ln of what is the value of u? 3y minus 4 plus c. Gets? So this will be our answer. Next, problem number 4. So the integral of x squared dx. So next natin gagawin dyan guys, ile-let yun natin yung x cubed plus 4. And the derivative of this is equals to 3x squared dx. So since 3x squared dx siya guys, wala naman 3 dito. So ang gagawin natin dyan guys is divide both sides by 3. Cancel. So yung natira is du all over 3 x squared dx. So the x squared dx guys equals daw siya sa du all over 3. And this equals to what? U. So the integral of du all over 3 over u. So since may 3 constant, lalabas yan, magiging 1 all over 3 du all over 3. And this equals to what? ln of u plus c. So 1 all over 3 ln of u. So So what is the value of u? X cubed plus 4 plus c. So this will be our final answer, guys. Gets? Next, so the integral of x squared minus 1. So first natin, guys, is distribute the value of x. The integral of x cubed minus x squared plus 1 d of x, guys. Gets? So next natin gagawin yan, guys. Kung mapapansin nyo, guys, kapag dinistribute natin yan, guys, yung u natin, let's say sabihin natin na x squared plus 1, the derivative of d is equals to 2x dx. So yung 2x dx is wala siya dito. Or let's say pwede din natin gawin yung u natin is equals to x cubed minus x. The derivative of d is equals to 3x squared minus 1. Walang 3x squared minus 1 dito. So hindi siya pwede yung let u. So gagawin natin yan, guys, is the long division method. So game, long division yan tayo. The x, so distribute nyo na tong eto is magiging ano siya, guys, the integral of x cubed minus x. Next is x squared plus 1. Next is that x cubed minus x, yung nasa loob, eto yun, and yung nasa labas is x squared plus 1. Gets? So x cubed, eto, tsaka ito, x cubed divide sa x squared. So yung exponent will subtract, so x lang. X, then x multiplies x squared is equals to x cubed all over, then x ita times mo siya doon sa 1 is equals to what? Positive of x. Then minus tayo, automatically minus yun, x cubed minus x minus x cubed plus x. So distribute the minus ay the negative sign, dinistribute ko lang, guys. So this will be cancel and cancel. So yung natira is add nyo lang, guys, is negative 2x. So negative 2x, guys. Gets? Next, wait, burahin lang. Next nyan, guys, is kung makikita nyo na 2x lang yung natira natin, guys. 2x, eto, negative 2x, divide daw sa x squared. So ang matitira dyan is negative 2 all over x. This will be cancel, may matitirang isa, so negative 2 all over of x. Gets? Kung negative 2 all over x yan, guys, yung lalagay natin ba yan dito, guys, is negative 2 all over x. So may x yan dito, nabura. Game. Dahil may x yan dito, guys, etong negative 2 all over x na nakuha natin sa negative 2x divide daw sa x squared, nakuha natin negative 2 all over x. So ibig sabihin hindi na siya pwede. So ayaw natin magkaroon ng fraction form banda rito. Gets, guys? So it means stop na tayo dyan. So game. Dahil nag-stop na tayo doon, ang next natin gagawin yan, guys. So our remainder is equals to negative 2x. So minus, yung minus galing sa negative dito all over 2x, then copy this one, x squared plus 1. So it means that the integral of x minus 2x, copy nyo lang, x squared plus 1 dx. So next is integrate them 1 by 1. Integral of x dx minus 2, labas ko na yung constant, x of x squared plus 1 d of x. So from the power formula, x squared all over 2 minus 2, the integral of x all over x squared plus 1. This will be represented as u, and the derivative of this is 2x dx. So 2x dx. So since x squared dx lang yun nandito, then divide both sides by x by 2. Du all over 2 is equals to x dx. So it means that this value is equals to du all over 2. And this represents as u. So x squared all over 2 minus 2, the integral of du all over 2 over u. So x squared all over 2 minus 2, labas na yung 2 which is 1/2 du of u. So cancel yung 2 all over 2 minus the integral of du all over u. The du all over u is equals to ln of u. What is the value of u? Is equals sa x squared plus 1. X squared plus 1 plus c. Gets, guys? So the final answer is x squared minus ln of x squared plus 1 plus c. Next is that let's say that u is equals to 2 plus 3 sine of x, and then derivative of d is equals to what? 3 cosine of x dx. So since walang 3 dito, divide them both sides by 3. So cancel. So yung natira, du all over 3 is equals to cosine of x dx. So this value is equals to what? Du over 3. And this value is equals to u. So the integral of du all over 3 over u. Labas yung 1/3, yung constant, du all over u. So the integral of du all over u is equals to ln of u plus c. The value of u is equals to 2 plus 3 sine of x plus c. Gets? So the final answer is equals to what? 1 over 3 ln of 2 plus 3 sine x plus c. Next, so the integral of dx all over x ln of x. So yung magiging u natin dyan is ln of x. And the derivative of ln of x is 1 over x dx, or du is equals to dx all over x. So pinag-multiply ko lang to. Okay. Next, that dx over x, ito yun, is equal daw siya sa du. And this value is equals to u. So the integral of du all over of u is equals to ln of u plus c. Ln of u, what is the u? Ln of x plus c. Gets, guys? So the final answer is ln and ln of x plus c. Next, number 8. So the integral of x cubed dx all over x minus 1. Gets? So first natin gagawin dyan is what? Kung magla-let u tayo ng x minus 1, ang u nyan is x minus 1. So the derivative of x minus 1 is dx. So walang dx dyan. So parang ganito. Yan. So eto, guys, magiging u. Integral of x cube. Yung dx daw natin magiging du all over etong x minus 1 is represents as u. Kung mapapansin nyo, walang mawawala dyan. So mali to. Hindi siya pwedeng i-let u lang agad. Gets? First is what? Gagamitin na natin yung long division method. X cube tapos x minus 1. Gets? So first, x cube divide daw sa x equals to x squared. The exponent will subtract. So x squared times mo siya doon sa x, magiging x cube all over, then x multiply sa 1, magiging negative x squared. So subtract mo, guys. Kung x cubed daw minus daw sa x cube minus x squared, x cube, distribute the negative sign, guys. Cancel. So yung natira is x squared. So x squared. So x squared, divide mo siya sa x, ang mangyayari niyan, guys, is what? x squared, divide mo daw siya sa x. So, magiging x na lang. So, magiging x na lang yung katumbas niya. So, positive of x. Ito yun. Ito yun guys, oh. Next. Yung x daw is multiply daw natin sa kapwa niya x, magiging x squared. The exponent will add, and then the x, multiply natin sa negative 1, magiging negative of x. Then minus sign, and minus, yes, x squared minus x squared minus x. So, ganyan yan guys. X squared minus x squared plus of x. Cancel, cancel. So, yung natira is x. So, bring down x. So, cancel na to. X, divide daw natin sa x. Ang nangyayari dyan guys equals to 1. So, positive 1. Another plus 1. O, next. 1, divide daw natin sa x is 1 over x. Ay, x multiplies pala sa 1 is equals to x. Eto, multiply daw natin sa x, magiging x lang. Then, etong 1 times daw natin sa negative 1, magiging minus 1. So, x, so minus yan guys. X minus of x minus 1, x minus x plus 1. Cancel, cancel. Ang matitira is positive 1. Gets. Oh, wait lang. Buray lang natin. Punong-puno na, bro. Oops. Oh, game next. Yung 1 natin, guys, is divide natin sa x daw. So, parang ganyan. So, kung mapapansin nyo, 1 over x na siya. Hindi na siya pwede, hindi na siya divisible. So, stop na tayo dyan. So, our remainder is equals to 1. So, plus 1, yung which is the remainder. Bakit positive? Kasi positive siya. And x minus 1. So, therefore nyan guys, is yung answer natin dito is x squared, copyain lang, plus 1 plus 1 all over x minus 1 dx. So, integrate them 1 by 1. Oh, integrate ko lang sila na 1 by 1 guys ha. Over x minus 1. Gets? So, the integral of x squared is equals to what? Power rule. 2 plus 1, 3, and all over 3 then. Plus x squared all over of 2. Plus the integral of dx is simply x. Plus the integral of, let's say na this will be our u. And the derivative of this equals to dx. So, may 1 yan dito. Then, yung dx daw natin represents as du. And this will be represents as u. Du all over of u. Then, copy lang guys. Plus x plus. The integral of du all over u is simply what? Ln of u plus c. Gets guys? So, x cubed all over 3 plus x squared all over 2 plus x plus ln of the value of u is equals to x minus 1 plus c. And this will be our final answer. X cubed all over x plus x squared plus over 2 plus x plus ln of x minus 1 plus c. Next, the integral of e raised to 4x dx. So, yung our u natin dyan, guys, is 4x. The derivative of 4x, 4 dx. So, divide both sides by 4. So, matitira is du all over 4 is equals to dx. So, the integral of e raised to u du all over 4. Labas ang constant. Labas ang constant, magiging eu du. So, the integral of eu du is equals to eu plus c. So, this will be equals to 1/4 e raised to u plus c. 1 all over 4 e. The u is x 4x plus c. So, this will be our final answer, guys. Gets? Next, the integral of square root of e raised to 3x dx. So, pwede din natin siyang i-rewrite ng e raised to 3x of 1/2. Yung 1/2, yun yung radical sign. May invisible 1 yan dito, may invisible 2. Pag in exponential, guys, x, 1 all over 2. Gets? Dx. So, next yan, guys, i-multiply natin yung 3x and 1/2. 3x multiply sa 1/2. So, 3x all over 2. Pwede siyang i-multiply kasi para silang exponent. E raised to 3x all over 2 d of x. So, our u is equals to 3x all over 2. The derivative of this is equals to quotient rule. V du minus u dv all over v squared. So, the derivative of u, ang v natin, guys, is u. The derivative of u is 3 minus u is 3x. The derivative of v is 0 all over. Yung v natin 2, so may squared mo magiging 4. Cancel. 2 times 3, 6. 6 over 4. 6 over 4 is equals to, yan, 6 over 4. Yung lowest term niyan is 3 all over 2. Gets? So, 3 all over 2 of dx. So, the integral of e raised to u, ayan na. So, 3 dx all over 2. Then yung du natin. Gets, guys? Wait, ayusin natin. Next natin gagawin yan, guys, is what? Yung magiging du natin yan, guys, is cross multiply mo muna. 2 du is equals to 3 dx. Cross multiply ko lang. So, kung mapapansin nyo, dapat may equal tayo sa dx. So, divide both sides by 3. 3. Cancel, cancel. So, yung natira is what? 2 du all over 3 is equals sa dx. So, the value of dx equals to 2 du all over 3. So, yung constant, ilabas na 2 over 3 eu du. 2 all over 3. The integral of eu du is equals to eu plus c. And then, 2 over 3, what is the value of u is equals to what? Ano yung value ng u natin? 3x all over 2 plus c. So, the final answer is 2 over 3 e raised to 3x over 2 plus c. Gets, guys? Next. So, this is equals to what? Au over ln of a plus c. Gets? So, yung u natin dyan is negative 3x. The derivative of this, negative 3 dx. Divide mo na negative 3. Oops. Equals siya sa du all over negative 3 of dx. So, yung a natin is equals daw sa 10. The integral of 10, yung u natin, yung dx natin is du all over negative 3. Gets, guys? Next, lalabas lang natin yung negative 1 over 3, 10 u du. So, yung format nito, the integral of au du. Yung a represents as 10, yung u represents as exponent, and du. Gets? So, negative 1 all over 3. Then, next is yung etong gantong format is equals daw sa formula ganto. Ano ba yung a natin? Is 10. Yung u natin, nagsasubstitute lang ako. Negative 3x all over ln of the value of a is 10 plus c. So, i-multiply nyo lang sila, guys. So, negative of 10 e raised to negative 3x and 3 ln of 10 plus c. So, this will be our final answer for that problem. Gets? Next. Yung u natin, ano? Negative x. The derivative of this equals to negative dx or simply negative du or dx. Dinivide ko lang ng negative sign, guys. So, divide ng negative na. Cancel, cancel. So, yung negative nalipat sa kabila. Next. Yung a natin is 2. The formula is ln a plus c. So, the integral of au du. So, next, the integral of 2, what is the value of yung u natin yun, and then dx, what is the value of dx is negative du. So, ilabas ang negative sign du. Gets, guys? Oh, next, anong gagawin natin next sa susunod? Negative 2. Yung 2 natin, yun yung a all over ln of 2 plus c. Nagsasubstitute lang ako ng value since yung a natin is equals to 2. Yung u natin is equals to negative of x. So, negative of 2, what is the value of u? Negative x ln of 2 plus c. Therefore, our final answer is negative 2 raised to negative x all over ln of 2 plus c. Gets? Next. Yung u natin dyan is, guys, 1 plus e raised to 2x. u 1 plus e raised to 2x. The derivative of this is 2e raised to 2x dx. Divide both sides by 2. So, e raised to 2x dx. Since daw etong e raised to 2x dx, itong nasa bilog, guys, equals sa du all over 2. Since ito is equals daw sa u. Gets? The integral of u cube and du all over 2. Nag-substitute lang ako. Labas yung constant. Yan. So, 1/2 of u 3 plus 1 plus c. Gets? So, the 3 plus 1 is equals to 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 1, wait. Yung mabura. Yan. 8. So, yung u natin magiging 4. The denominator is 8 plus c. What is the value of u? 1 plus e raised to 2x, then raised to 4 all over of 8 plus c. So, the final answer is 1 plus e raised to 2x raised to 4 over 8 plus c. So, next, for the last problem, yung u natin dyan is 1 over x. Yung du natin dyan is equals to, yung ito, pwede rin rewrite as negative x raised to negative 1. Since yung 1 over x, pag binaliktad ko yan, yung exponent magiging negative from the loss of exponent. So, the derivative of this is negative 2x dx. Since walang negative sign dito, is divide both sides by the negative. Gets? So, this will be equals to negative du. And this will be equals to u. The integral of u, oops, eu pala. Ayaw mabura. E raised to u. Next is yung dx natin, x raised to negative 2 dx equals to sa negative du. Negative labas, eu du. So, this format is equals to e raised to u plus c, or e negative, ano yung u natin is 1 over x plus c. So, this will be our final answer, guys. Gets? So, that's all, guys. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.